I finally recorded the sound my son makes at night. But when I played it back, there was another voice humming with him. It started a month ago, just a soft hum before bedtime, low, steady, almost like a lullaby. I thought it was cute. Kids hum, right? But the tune never changed. Same rhythm, same pattern. Every night, every morning, every car ride. At first, I ignored it, but soon, I couldn't sleep. That melody looped endlessly through the walls, through my dreams, like it was drilling into my brain. Then strange things began happening around the house. The cat wouldn't go near Riley's room. The radio turned on by itself, playing static in the same tone as the hum.